What is up, everybody? Gonna do some 3D printing today. Typed in YouTube play button, and how is this the first thing that comes up? And that's the third. I don't know. But we are going to grab this file. I'm on the Thingiverse. When you come into the page, click Thing Files, download. Once it is downloaded, open her up. Close out the browser for now. Hello, Kira. I'll be back when this loads. Alright, here we are, opened up in Cura. Now I'm going to print this on my Creality, and we've got JG Aurora, JG Magic. So we're going to have to switch that, add printer. There are no printers on our network. Non-network printer. And this is the Creality CR6. Let's see, Creality. CR6SE is my printer. We're going to add that little puppy right there. Now you see it has our printer. And all you got to do is hit the slice button. And then save it to your removable disk. Eject it. I shut my computer down because I don't need it anymore at this point. Hi. Memory card. Hello. Give me a second, we'll get it to the... Alright. Bed leveling, you have to do first. I've done that already. I'm going to print this YouTube play button. It's got to heat up and do some other things to get prepared. But I'll be back when it gets going. Here we go. Everything's heated and it's starting the process. Now, this is a play button for the gentleman on YouTube named Wrench Kings. My dude, here you go. It's start. Play button update. The base is going down. Play button is getting close. Almost there. Alright, how to use every tool in my arsenal. There you go, brother. If anyone knows how to take a 2D photo and turn it into a 3D photo to be printed, please let us know. I would like to print Wrench King's logo, but that's out of my wheelhouse. Sneak peek at my well cars. Anyway, hope everyone has an awesome day. Peace out.